Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection. It comes equipped with navigation, dual front side impact airbags, blind spot monitor with lane change assist, rear view camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, heated door mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, keyless entry, auto high beam headlamp control, heated front seats, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Road in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.